Dear friends, in class 7 we are studying 14th chapter symmetry, and next point is rotational symmetry. Now let us see, if there exists a fan with a single blade. This is a fan with a single blade. Imagine this is the center, and if it rotates in the direction of the clock hands, everybody knows that this is 12, 6, 3, 9, and the hands of the clocks move in this direction. So if the rotation is in the clockwise direction, this is called as clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. And if it is opposite of it, then it is called as anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Direction is opposite to hands of the clock. Now, let us try to understand, we are trying to understand rotational symmetry. So, if the single blade moves or rotates along the fixed point, this point is called center of rotation. Center of rotation. And if it rotates in clockwise direction, you will notice that when it rotates through 360 degrees, dear friends, when the fan rotates about the center of rotation and when it reaches up to 360 degrees, it occupies the same place. Please note, it occupies the same place. It comes to the same place after 360 degrees. Then this is called as the position which is obtained. Similar position is obtained after rotating through certain angle. This angle is called as angle of rotation. Angle of rotation. And when it occupies the same place, we say it is having first one order of rotation. So one order of rotational symmetry. It is one order rotational symmetry, or rotational symmetry is of the order 1 if it is only one fan. Now see, if there are two fans, similar fans are there. If these two fans are rotated again in clockwise direction, please note, this point is called as center of rotation. Center of rotation. This time if it is rotated only through 180 degrees, this left hand side fan will occupy right hand side position, and right hand side fan will occupy left hand side position. You will notice that after 180 degrees it looks same. That is, after rotating through 180 degrees it looks same. So we say rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry is of order 2. Rotational symmetry is of order 2. Please note, here angle of rotation is 180 degrees. Now see, if there are four fans, four blades to the fan, if there are four blades to the fans, then if we rotate this again either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, I am taking clockwise direction here. If they are rotated through 90 degrees, then you will see that they occupy or they look same. So rotational symmetry is of order 4. Means to occupy the same place, it rotates 4 times, or it takes 4 positions to come to the same place. And angle of rotation is 90 degrees. Angle of rotation is 90 degrees if there are 8 blades. To the fan, you will notice that after 45 degrees of rotation, they will occupy the. After 45 degrees, they will look the same. So, angle of rotation in this case is 45 degrees. Angle of rotation, after every 45 degrees, we will get the same position. So, angle of rotation is 45 degrees, and rotational symmetry is of order 8. Please note, if you take any object and if you rotate it, then we are always going to get rotational symmetry of order 1. Even if it is not symmetric, still we will get rotational symmetry of order 1. Dear friends, let us take some other example. If you take an example of a square, and this is the center point. So if you take this as the center of rotation, please note, if you rotate through 90 degrees, this point will come here. So here angle of rotation is equal to 90 degrees, and it will occupy, or it will look same 4 times when it occupies the same, when same point comes to the same place. So if this point start rotating and it comes to the same place, it will look, this figure will look same 4 times. So we call order of rotation, order of rotational symmetry is 4. For square, you will notice that order of rotational symmetry is 4. Angle of rotation is 90 degree if you take the center point as the center of rotation. Now, in case of equilateral triangle, if the figure is equilateral triangle and if you take the center point as a center of rotation, this is the center of rotation. Please note, when the same point comes to the same place, total is 360 degrees. And when it comes to this point, then also you will see that triangle looks same. When it comes to this place, then also you will see the figure looks exactly same. When this point reaches again to the same place, you will see again it looks same. It means 3 times it looks same when the point reaches the same place. So order of rotational symmetry is equal to 3, and each time it travels only 120 degrees, because 3 times it rotates to cover 360 degrees. Through 360 divided by 3, we get 120. So angle of rotation is equal to 120 degrees. Please note, if you see this point, this rotation is 120 degrees. Again, if you rotate through 120 degrees, you will get the same. Again, if you rotate through 120 degrees, you will get the same place. Here also you will see that if you rotate through 90 degrees, square will look same. If you rotate again through 90 degrees, square will look same. When you move again through 90 degrees, it will look same. So here, in case of square, angle of rotation is 90 degrees and order of rotational symmetry is 4. In case of equilateral triangle, order of rotational symmetry is 3 and angle of rotation is 120. Dear friends, we are studying rotational symmetry, and in try this we are trying to understand this rotational symmetry with the help of some examples. So question is asked, can you tell the order of rotational symmetry for an equilateral triangle? So consider this triangle as an triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, and please note this angle at the center is 120 degrees. This angle is 120 degrees. Now if you rotate through 180 degrees, you will notice that A comes to this position, B will come to this position, and C will come at the top. Watch carefully. After 120 degrees, we are able to see the same figure. Now again, if you rotate through 120 degrees, this 120 have came up to here. All angles are actually 120. Again, if you rotate through 120 degrees, you will notice C point comes here, A points come here, and B points come here. Again, if you rotate through 120 degrees, you will notice that A comes to its original position, B comes to its original position, and C comes to its original position. Now if you look at the figures, you will notice that there are only three possibilities. This figure is exactly same as the first figure. So we have got only three different figures. Hence we say that rotational symmetry of an equilateral triangle, order of the rotational symmetry for equilateral triangle is 3. Order is 3. Next question is, how many positions are there at which the triangle looks exactly the same? So you can understand this fourth is exactly like a first. So three different positions are there at which the triangle looks exactly same when rotated about its center by 180 degrees. So by looking at the figure, we can conclude that three positions are there. I am purposefully keeping the same language, same words as in the question, so that writing will be easier for you. Three positions are there at which the triangle looks exactly the same when rotated about its center. Please note, this point is the center of the figure, center of equilateral triangle, by 120 degrees.